I usually just photograph my work with my iPhone. I just try to get right over top of my drawing so I don't get any perspective distortion. If you don't have a smartphone though, a digital camera will also work great. If you want to get more of a work in progress type shot though, you can angle the camera a little more and put one of your art tools down next to your sketch. I really like the Instagram filters, so I'll sometimes add a filter to my photographed sketches. If you'd like to have a clean copy of your work though, your best bet is to scan it. Then you can edit the image in Photoshop or another editing program. In Photoshop, go to Image, Mode, Grayscale. Then go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. From here you can move the sliders to bring the paper back to white, and the darks back to their value in real life. Using the patch tool, you can circle little dust and dots and drag to a clean area to remove them. When I'm finished, I just press Select, Deselect. Now that I'm finished editing, I go to Image, Mode, and turn it back to RGB color. Then with the crop tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side, I can complete this with my desired crop. If you'd like to learn more about Photoshop, please join in my class, Photoshop Demystified, a beginner's guide to digital painting. Also, look out for a future class on coloring these characters in Photoshop.